halfway through my procedure, and things have went so smoothly since about to enjoy a meal now. Thank you everyone to the team at HRBR for making it so seamless. Hey guys, this is me 2 days after my hair transplant. And as you can see, it's not that scabby whatsoever. A little bit of redness, but compared to other clinics or people that get hair transplants in other clinics, it's a lot less ugly. I've been spraying my head every 30 minutes with this solution, and even the day was great. Really happy with how everything's gone so far, and I'm back working already, which is great. So looking forward to the results. As you can see, very minimal scarring or scabbing there as well, which is brilliant. So can't wait to continue the process really. So I am 2 weeks post hair transplant surgery. This is it right now. I'm due a shower to get all the scabs kind of off. But you know, as far as I'm concerned, if I walked into a store or a supermarket, people wouldn't really know that I got a hair transplant. It's very inconspicuous, which is great. And I'm just looking forward to a bit of growth. I think the hairline is very natural, and I can't wait for me to have a full head of hair again. So